See? So this is the filter. Ah, there's hair in there. It's disgusting. So yeah. Hello guys! So today's video I'm going to clean the filters of our washing machine. I don't know what's wrong with it, but yesterday it was leaking. There was a lot of water on the floor. So I'm going to check. Maybe the filter is I don't know, maybe there's a lot of gunk in there. Maybe it needs to be cleaned. So I normally clean my washing machine like once a month, but for some reason this past, I think it's been 2 months that I didn't clean our washing machine. So yeah, maybe just the filter it's plugged or something. So I'm going to check it out. If let's see what happened here. I mean, the washing machine nowadays is so expensive, so I'm gonna try fixing it as much as I can so that we don't have to buy a new one. So yesterday was right here was there's a lot of water, and that's why I put this towel in here. So this is the filter here, there. So inside here, so maybe there's a lot of gunk, I don't know, hair or something that's plugged that makes this washing machine leaks. Actually, we have this pan right here, this white pan. It used to be white, but look at it, turns yellowish now. Anyways, this is supposed to catch the water if your washing machine's leaking. But yesterday, for some reason, I don't know, maybe this has it's getting old, so has I don't know, crack in the bottom or something. The water was just all over this floor yesterday. It stinks. It's smelly too. A lot of water came out, and it stinks really bad. See? So this is the filter. There's hair in there. It's disgusting. So yeah, there's hair and some length, or I don't know. It's just so dirty. Stinks. So I'm going to rinse this on the sink and put it back. And let's see. I can't really see inside. So it's not plugged. I don't know why it was leaking. I'm just gonna clean it inside. So this is the filter, and it's nice and clean now. Doesn't look disgusting anymore. So yeah. You guys check your filters too. You'll be surprised what's inside your filter. So I'm just gonna put it back in here. Go. Oh well. Let's close that. A lot of water. My towel soak. right here, the rubber seal, and it gets very dirty in here. So you see that, so you just have to scrub this. I'm gonna try to use this washing machine again later after I'm done. Let's see if it still leaks. Hopefully not anymore. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, hopefully this by cleaning the filters, maybe that was just a problem, and not just not draining it right. Because otherwise we're gonna have to buy a new one, which is not good. I think washing machine nowadays is like $1,000 or more. I don't know, 50,000, 60,000 pesos. So once a month, I put vinegar. So what I do is like, just put like a white vinegar inside here, and then run it to like the hot water settings, and then I'll just leave it overnight, and then the next morning I'll run it again. So yeah, that's how I clean our washing machine. Just vinegar and hot water, that's it, and just leave it overnight. It's here, it's the, obviously it stinks, it's the, I'm cleaning the filter of the washing machine. See? Pretty dirty. Some hair. This washing machine are disgusting. If you don't clean it, it gets worse. They need some love and care too. A lot of gunk in here. There. My husband's laughing at me because I'm vlogging while I'm cleaning. Alright, it's nice and clean. This, it's so hard to get it out.
I know.
So guys, I guess before you take it out this filter, guess you have to take out the hose first and drain the water out. I guess the drainage here. So when I open this filter, all the waters come out here inside this pan, so it's like flooding. Oh well, I know next time. But yeah, it's just snap in here somewhere. There you go. So I guess that's what you were supposed to do at first. Just open that hose and then open the filter after, so that the water will all comes out first instead of the bottom of the pan. Oh, mistakes makes perfect, right? Listen, learn.
Next area to check is in here, the tray. Huh.
Yeah, I was thinking of taking them out.
I guess you could just pull this. Oh, here we go. I think you... There, push that down and then the tray comes right out.
So this is the detergent dispenser. Alright guys, so the dispenser are clean. Look. Okay, which is which? Alright, this is for Downy. And this is for the bleach. For Zone Rocks. This is for the detergent or the powder. Ta-da! Alright, nice and clean. I'm just gonna put it back. Oh, one more. There. Okay, it's in! And I'm done. I'm gonna run it and check it if it's still leaking. If it's still leaking, that means there is a big problem. It's gonna cost us a lot. We are testing it. We run our washing machine and let's see what happened. So I am done running the washing machine. It's not leaking. There's no leak at all. No water. Check all over. So I guess that was just the trick. You just have to clean the filter and then the dispenser area. Maybe that was just maybe it was just plugged and that was the cause of the leak before. So that's it, you guys. Oh, also we did check the bottom of this washing machine. There's like a rubber hose in there, and it's nice and clean. Also, it's not wet. It's not leaking. So yeah, there's no problem at all. Okay, I'm just gonna end this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It is free, you guys. I'll see you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye.